previous one again I got a clear pick of that, so I'll read the meanings. Taragati, first one. Meaning is varga, class or standard. Second one is hazari, hajare. Meaning is upastita, means presence. Third one is charche, not charche exactly. Charche. Third one is charche. Charche samvada. Charche samvada. Discussion. Fourth one is harate. Harate. Matukate. Matukate. Gossip. Fifth one is raddu. Harat. Tegedu haku. Tegedu haku means take it off or erase. Sixth one is hekku. Hekku. Harisu. Harisu. Pick. Seventh one is rachisu. Rachisu. Meaning tayarisu. Tayarisu. To create.